Understanding colors in Medisoft. So Medisoft has colors in multiple places. Number one is I'm going to talk about the appointment schedule. When you're creating reason lists, you can associate each reason with a color and you can control it here, which color you want. This is the color of the appointment. This is the color of the template. You will learn how to create a template in a separate video. Now back into the Medisoft patient accounting, the colors are first turned on from the program options. You need to turn this on. You need to click use default colors. Those colors are for transaction entry, so it will tell you if charge has no payment or if it's partially paid or overpaid. Down here this is patient flag, so if you want to flag a patient for being in collection, maybe a violent patient or maybe a handicapped patient, you can color code it here, or Medicare patient, you can color code it for whatever you want. Now you can control the patient color from the patient itself. When you open a patient, let's say I'm opening Mike Wall, and going under the other information, I can pick the patient color from here, which is a flag. When use the flag here, anytime from now on, when you pull up that patient, you will see that color flag is. Now let's talk about the transaction colors. So let's say if I type 99213, when you save this transaction, it will have a gray color. That's because in the color scheme, gray means it was not paid yet. Now, as I'm paying anything towards this transaction, now you'll notice this is changed color. If I use 25 by mistake, now you notice that the purple. If you ever want to see what each of the color means other than going from program option, you can right click here, you can show color legend, and you will see the colors here. Also, the color will show in quick ledger if you have any open balance or any over applied. So if I go to a different patient here, I will see the colors, and if I right click here, I can also see a quick color legend what each color means. So try to put some colors in your life by using colors in appointments, transaction entry. People respond to colors easier, so you can train your staff much easier to respond to colors than to look at numbers and make sense out of the numbers. Sometimes colors stands out. Enjoy it, and thanks for watching. I hope you found that helpful. Click below for the complete Medisoft Online Academy by MicroEyes, or you should know that if you sign up for the Medisoft Cloud by MicroEyes, you will get the complete online academy at no additional charge. Also, we provide one-on-one training. Let's get your practice running at peak efficiency. Don't compromise. Go MicroEyes.